Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Himanshu and today we will be unboxing an external mic for Android and DSLR cameras. I ordered this mic from Flipkart. You can see the bill or the courier memo. Packaging is good. Let's open it up. Let's see what we got inside. One more pouch. Let's open it. But before I open it, I should show you what's written on it. It says noise cancellation Anytech microphone. Let's open it. One more pouch. You can see the length, it's decent length wire. You can see the Anytech logo. Let's open it. Oh, one more pouch. They've done a good job on packaging. Let's open it and see the product. This looks very decent quality according to the price. You see the mic and the foam cover. Let's put it together. The clip is of metal and it's pretty decent quality. Seems to be lasting long. Let's check the length of wire. It's 1.5 meters long, so it's good for vlogging, or if you are shooting videos, informative videos, you just stand and speak. It's good for that. Now let's check the audio quality. So guys, now I will check the audio quality. I'm speaking through the new mic, external mic I've got from Flipkart, and you can see the voice quality on my Mi5 Android mobile phone. Now I'm using the mic on my phone, so you can guess how the sound changes. And now the mic is here. Previously it was there, now it's here. You can see the audio quality, the changes. So that's pretty much it. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.